Find features that distinguish it from other brands for MAKELIFT Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Superior performance. Our tire inflator portable air compressor is equipped with a high-performance chip, offering 150 psi air pressure. In less than 1 minute, it can quickly increase tire pressure from 29 to 36 psi. With lightning speed, this tire pump easily handles various inflation challenges. Long-lasting power. Comes with 16,000 mAh rechargeable batteries and a cigarette lighter. The bike pump offers 2 power options to ensure constant inflation. Besides, this air pump for car tires has a compact structure, weighing only about 1 pound, providing great portability and flexibility. It's the ideal companion for road trips and adventure travel. Precise LCD dual display. This air compressor has a large LCD display that clearly and intuitively shows the real-time pressure value and preset pressure. The measurement accuracy is up to plus or minus 0.1 psi. You can easily switch among the 4 pressure units, psi, kPa, bar, kilogram per square centimeter, with a single click, which is easy and convenient to operate. With it, you can monitor your tire pressure in real time and inflate safely. 4+N inflation modes. 4 preset inflation modes for bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls are offered, which are convenient and fast. The custom mode allows you to set pressure values from 3 to 150 psi based on different inflation objects, meeting diverse needs. Even better, when the preset pressure is reached, the tire inflator automatically stops, ensuring security in every use. Multifunctional use. This portable air pump is not only for inflating but also serves as a power bank. With a built-in USB-C port, it can supply power to mobile phones and other electronic devices. Moreover, its 3 LED lights offer bright lighting organ strobing for night activities or emergencies. It is an excellent gift for husbands, fathers, and brothers. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.